Hello! Tips before you go to bed. Warm milk, warm bath, relaxation exercise such as deep breathing, and then stretching. So, kapag naligo kayo ng maaligamgam na tubig, it will trigger the increase in body temperature, and then the sudden drop down in your body temperature after your shower will trigger dizziness or sleepiness or body tiredness. Warm milk, it contains tryptophan, an amino acid responsible for the synthesization of your melatonin, which is an important sleep hormone. Then relaxation, such as deep breathing, will promote relaxation response para nang sa ganoon, yung mga thoughts nyo at yung mga physical symptoms ng anxiety nyo ay mabawasan. And then stretching to promote good blood circulation. It will help to decrease the tenseness of your muscles. So, ayun lamang po. Hindi man to maging effective at first or during the first few days, magiging effective to during or after a few weeks. So, wag po kayong susuko at tandaan po na be patient at ito po ay malalagpasan at makakayanan ninyo. So, ayun lamang po. Hanggang sa muli po.